Are you planning to learn the Java full stack and you are not getting the perfect place? You want to learn the live coding with 100% deployment of the project. Then see this video till the end. I'm going to show you what we are going to cover in this Java full stack along with the live projects. So we start Java full stack with core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, basics of JavaScript, MySQL, and complete 3 to 4 live projects. Training will be given on completely live scenarios and with a hands-on experience. You will get an individual system for the practice and all the things will be covered in the given deadline. So let us see the live projects. So guys, in Java full stack, we teach lot of different application, but one project which I am showing you, which we are already using for our client. So what is the concept here is this application, guys, is for daily expenses management. So first we have created here two models. First is the admin model. Admin1 is my username and my password I'm entering. Now once you log in, guys, you can see add monthly budget. Add some budget for their expenses to their admin. Suppose for my admin, I added here 5,000 and I'm taking the today's date. Date you can take anything. If you give previously that date also you can add it and add the budget. After adding the budget, you can see the remaining balance on this link. Suppose I added the budget, that budget will get added here, guys. Now, whatever the expenses has done by the team, that expenses you can see here. Now, let us see here. If you want to see the budget, when did you allot from which days to which date, you can filter also. Suppose example, we are taking here the date, let us say we are taking from the first and we will take it here. Before date. So it is showing that 00 amount is allotted on that particular date. So let me take this for today's date and filter. You can see for today's date 5,000. Now here you see it, guys, amount is allotted before first is not showing. If I change this date, let us take this date in the previous month from 1st July or something. So see, amount is getting altered. Means from which days to which date, how much amount you allotted, from that how much is utilized and how much is remaining with the staff. So all the details can be seen by the admin here. Now, if you want to go by to dashboard, you can go to the dashboard also. So like this, you can add the budget, you can see the details and you can log out. Now staff, what staff can do? Now obviously staff will do the expense. So I will log in as a staff. Now first we will see the remaining things. Now with the staff, this amount is balance 26,222 and this amount he has spent. Now here see it is locked. Why? Because after the 48 hours this person cannot edit the details. Now let us go back and try to add one expense. Suppose I am doing product name. I brought suppose T for my office. Amount is let us say 100 rupees. And date, what date? Today's date I will take it here. And submit the expense. Now you can see this expense is submitted and amount got deducted. And here see edit option is available. Why? I can decrease or increase. Suppose example edit by mistake I gave T amount is okay 1000 I gave actually. I will make it is 200 and update it. So 26027 is my T amount. So up to 48 hours, this can be edited. After that, you cannot edit this amount. So with this help, you can create the complete expenses model here for admin and user. So like this project is there, guys. So lots of project we are explaining in the classroom. If you want to join for live training, just connect us on the given number. Thank you, guys.